زن
زندگی
Çığlıkları bunlar.
آزادی
زن زندگی
آزادی
زن زندگی
آزادی
زن.
Thank you for acknowledging my ability to continue my career for 34 years in the face of blatant misogyny, constant bullying, and relentless abuse.
زندگی
When I first moved to New York, I was a teenager, and New York was a very scary place. In the first year, I was held up at gunpoint, raped on a rooftop with a knife digging into my throat.
آزادی
I'm receiving an award for being Woman of the Year, so I ask myself, what can I say about being a woman in the music business? What can I say about being a woman?
زن
If you're a girl, you have to play the game. What is that game? You are allowed to be pretty and cute, but don't act too smart. Don't have an opinion. Be what men want you to be, but more importantly, be what women feel comfortable with you being around other men.